What is up, YouTube? I was gonna wait to make a video until my house was all put together. I just moved. Those of you who follow my Instagram, you guys know I just got into a new house. So right now I'm gonna give you guys a sneak preview of the YouTube room. Nothing's done yet. It's literally by a desk, and I'm gonna show you guys all that process and stuff like that of how I'm gonna build my YouTube room. However, something came in the mail, and I could not wait to make a video on this. So let me show you guys right now. Boom, you guys already see the logo. You guys already know I'm rocking with the team. So right here is what you see. Boom, that's my old address. So let's get this thing unboxed. I need to find a box cutter of some sort or something to open. We will use this. Here we go. I'm gonna peel this off. Here we go, let's go. Okay, so obviously this is not the right setup with the lighting and everything, but I just grabbed a quick studio light out of the back, or out of the garage, and just want to do this on camera real quick. So I'm using a screw because I couldn't find a box cutter. But let's see if I can do this mostly in frame. Alright, here we go. So, first things first, a little note in here. For myself and the Tomb45 team, we want to thank you for the support. I wanted to handwrite these, but something tells me I should be editing videos or teaching classes instead. Haha. Guessing this is from Basio. I'm not going to read this out loud because I can't read out loud very well. So, anyways, little note here. Some new Tomb45 stickers for the studio, of course. And I'm going to put one with my station too. There is more than one here. There is, oh just kidding, there's just one here. So one big one. Right here I got some no drip. You guys already know I'm a fan of this right here. This is my stuff. Black, brown, of course. What else did they send you, boy? Let's see. Of course, we got the Beam Team XL. Let's see what we got. Some Royal Wax. Appreciate that. And some Victory Fiber. Also, appreciate that. You guys know I use these products like crazy. What else? Tomb45 Pop Socket. That's definitely going on the phone. Tomb45 Razor Keychain. Man, they plugged your boy. Tomb45 medium size sticker. Tomb45 small sticker. And I think that's it other than the Beam Team. So we're gonna toss that. Toss that. For this next portion, I am going to tilt the camera down so you guys can see the full unboxing of this. Let's do it. Okay, so like I said, I'm at my house right now, in my studio, doing an ironing board because I don't really have anything else. So first things first, we have the box. Mine got a little damaged in shipping. Shouts out to the US Postal Service for that one. But you guys can see the foil finish on the front, like the last one. Beam Team XL by Tomb45. Nothing on the back. It's like a slider box. So this, oh, just kidding. It looked like a slider box. So we have this flap open up. Boom. Let's see how she looks. I might have just broke that. Whoops. Okay. Note to self or others, this don't open up all the way unless you break the cardboard. Anyways, continuing. Some nice thick foam. Right. Beam Team cordless XL. Just an information packet breakdown of what everything is, and then as always everything on the back, so feel free to read that. Teaches you about air gun maintenance or airbrush gun maintenance, promoting longer enhancements. Alright, so here we go. Charging cable, a lot better than the last one. Smaller here, and the cord is much more an upgrade. excited for that. Here we have some cleaning tools. This is clutch. I had to buy these separate on Amazon, so just for them sending these is an amazing thing. Set those right there. Nothing else in the bottom. Here's our new airbrush gun. Right away I can tell that comes off. Feels good in the hand. Nothing rattles. Trigger feels good. You can adjust your solution output on the back end. Looks like just like my other airbrush gun that I use. Yep. Very, very similar. Boom. And now for this bad. Whoa, that's light. Dang. So I saw it online and I didn't get to go to EWP because I just had a bunch of other stuff going on. So I didn't really get a chance to check this thing out, but damn, this thing is light. Whew. This thing is crazy light. I was expecting this to be a lot heavier, just how big it is. You guys can see I got big bare paws. It's a little over my wrist right there. But it fits, it like feels nice. This is, man, this is super light. Okay, so charging port in the back, like always. Rubber grommet. That's alright, I took mine off anyways. So, of my version 1. This plugs into there. I'm guessing this lights up green while it's charging. I haven't tested it yet. Sorry guys if I'm all over the place. This is my first time seeing this product in person. I'm like pumped. So, this grommet does go back in. I just gotta force it in there. Okay, so let's plug this in. I like this thick nut here. See, top comes off there. Boom. I do like this thick housing here for the fitting there. Now my other compressor, I will say if I over tightened it, the airflow felt weird. So we'll see if that's the case with this one. Woo! Damn. Okay, let me grab some alcohol real quick to run through this, and I'll be right back. Man, what am I thinking? I got a brand new bottle of No Drip right here. No Drip and a white piece of paper. I think they did this on purpose. Here we go. We're about to see what the hype is about. I'm excited. Here we go. We're gonna leave that right there. Boom. Shake up our No Drip. There is no cap to this. No cap. Look how easily that stands up by itself though. Damn, and I'm on an ironing board. Imagine if that was on a countertop. Okay, let's open up this No Drip. You want to shake this stuff very, very well. And then we're just going to add a few drops in here. Turn him on high and let her rip, tater chip. I don't know why I just said that, but it was funny. Take our seal off of there. Whoop. That sucks. That's going to stain. All right, here we go. Enough of the talking. Look, I can just leave that on. That's tight. Okay. Here we go. Gonna add a couple drops in there. And we'll give it a little squirt. Fill him up about a quarter of the way. I probably put too much in there, but I will. Keep hearing doors outside. Okay, here we go. First spray. Ooh, good God. Look at this coverage. Hold on. So look, ran through it like that. Wow. So with No Drip, you want to apply it super light and layer it on. So for this to have that wide of a spray pattern and just easily just change the entire shade of that was amazing. So now, let's get up close. I didn't even have to turn it off. Damn, that's tight. Let's stain up the t-shirt. Oh well. So we're gonna get close here. Here we go. Woo! Look at that. that looks good. Ooh, yes, boy. Let's try low mode. So if you guys don't know, one click is high, it's like high speed. Second click is low speed, and then third click is off. So let's go high speed, low speed. Couple of drops. Couple of little bit up in there. Okay, here we go. Here we go. That low speed is still whew, strong as hell. Look at that. Look at that. Man. That's crazy. And one click to go off from low speed. Damn, look at that. Look at the finish on this. That's crazy. A nice illumination on the power button. Boom. Feels comfy in the hand, not all crazy, wobbly, shaky. You know what I'm saying? Damn, that's tight. I can't wait to try this out. Show you guys how to clean it with this. But let's go back up top real quick. Alright guys, I want to give a big, huge shout out to the Tomb45 team for sending this to your boy. I ordered this a while ago and I'm excited for it to be here. So the Tomb45 Beam Team XL, this thing is insane, yo. I can't wait to get to the shop tomorrow. I'm off today. You know what? I'm going in today. I'm gonna find somebody to cut their hair just so I can use this today. So appreciate you guys watching. I'm sorry for such short video, quick, spontaneous. I haven't uploaded in a little while, so be on the lookout for more vlogs, daily uploads again. Now that I have the YouTube space in my house, that I can just come in here and create, edit whenever I want, 24 hours a day. We're gonna keep them coming. I'm gonna start dropping some dope videos. I got a lot of stuff in the notes on the iPhone, so be on the lookout. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.